Hi guys, welcome to today's class. So what we have today is the center lathe. The center lathe is a metal working machine. It's a really versatile tool for machining cylindrical parts. It's primarily used for turning, facing, knurling, drilling, and other threading operations on various materials like metal, plastic, and wood. Here we have the chuck. The chuck is used to securely hold and rotate workpieces during machine operations. It acts as a clamp, allowing the lathe to perform different tasks. Here we have the tailstock. It has two main functions. One, it supports the opposite ends of the workpiece during machining. And two, it can also be used for holding tools like for drilling, reaming, or threading. Here we have the headstock. Its primary function is to hold and rotate the workpiece at different speeds during machining operations. So here we have the cross slide. It is used to move the cutting tool perpendicular to the axis of rotation of the workpiece. This is the emergency stop. It is basically used to stop a machine if anything goes wrong, like a electrical cable getting exposed or a shock or something. Thank you for listening. Have a nice day. Bye.